Problem 13. For each value of w, determine whether it is a solution to 44 less than equal to 37 plus w. And they give you a table of all possible solutions. It can be 8, 10, 2, and 7. So we're going to check yes or no it is a solution. There's two ways to do this. You can either plug in each value for w, or you can do is solve for w. So we can go ahead solve for w. I'm going to do is minus 37 on both sides. Alright, that will give us 44 minus 7. 4 cannot take away 7, so we borrow 1. That will be 14 minus 37, or 7 is going to be 7. Less than equal to w. And we prefer to keep w on the left side, so we're going to spin the whole thing. W greater than equal to 7. So which means any value greater than w, greater than or equal to w is the answer. So 8, any value greater than or equal to 7. So 8 is greater than 7, so yes. 10 greater than to 7, yes. 2 is not greater than 7, is no. And last one, 7, is included because they have the equal sign. Number 14. Solve an inequality for x. So 9 greater than negative 7 minus 4x. First we're going to do is get x by itself. We're going to add 7 on both sides. That will give you 16 greater than negative 4x. And continue to get x by itself. We divide by negative 4 on both sides. So that will give you negative 4. Since we divide by a negative number, you're going to flip the inequality sign to the opposite direction. And then negative 4 less than x. And we spin it around so x greater than negative 4. To keep x on the left side, we're going to flip the whole thing. Alright, problem 15. We have 6 minus 9y less than equal to 30 minus 5y. What we're going to do is get the y on the same side. So I'm going to do it at 9y on both sides. 9y and 9y cancel each other out, give you 6 less than equal to 30. 9y, negative 5y plus 9y, opposite side, we subtract them. So that will give you positive 4y. And continue to get y by itself, we're going to do is subtract 30 on both sides. 6 minus 30 is negative 24, less than equal to 4y. Then we're going to do is divide by 4 on both sides. That will give you negative 6 less than equal to y. And we like to have y on the left side. We're going to spin the whole thing. That will give you y greater than equal to negative 6 at the final answer. Number 16. For each inequality, choose the statement that describes its solution. If applicable, give the solution. So we're going to look at problem A. 5 times 6 minus x plus 7x greater than equal to 16. So when you see the parenthesis, the first thing we want to do is distribute 5. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times x is negative 5x plus 7x greater than equal to 16. Then we're going to do is combining like term. Negative 5y plus negative 5x plus 7x. That will give you 30 plus 2x greater than equal to 16. We're going to subtract 30 on both sides. That will give you 2x greater than equal to 16 minus 30. Going to give you negative 14. And we divide by 2 on both sides. X greater than equal to negative 7. Okay, so x greater than equal to negative 7. You're going to choose this one. All right, problem B. We have negative 2 u plus 7 plus 20 less than 2 times 5 minus u. We distribute negative 2 into parentheses, distribute 2 into parentheses. That will give you negative 2u minus 14 plus 20 less than 10 minus 2u. Okay, then we're going to do is combining like term. Negative 14 plus 7 is positive 6 less than 10 minus 2u, and bring down negative 2u plus 6. Alright, we try to get u on the same side, so we're going to do it at 2u on both sides. And 2u minus 2u is going to be 0. 2u minus 2u is 0. So we just have 6 less than 10. And that is true statement, 6 less than 10. That means that you have many solutions. Okay, so that will be our real number, our solution. Okay, that will be the last one. Alright, problem 17. We have compound inequality. You have 4x minus 1 less than equal to 11, or 2x minus 5 greater than 7. Okay, we're going to solve for this by adding 1 on both sides. That will give you 4x less than equal to 12. And then we divide by 4 on both sides. X less than equal to 3. Okay, we're going to do the same for the second part. We're going to add set 5 on both sides. Give you 2x greater than 12. And then we divide by 2, x greater than 6. Alright, since both x stay on the left side, so we get to use the arrow method. Means that this one less than is pointing you to the left. So as 3, we're going to go to the left. Okay, and since there's an equal sign, we're going to use bracket. Okay, over here x greater than 6. So from 6, you go to the right. And since it's greater than without equal sign, you use the parenthesis. Okay, the problem that we're working with is or. When it's or, we take all possible solutions. We're going to take all. So which means from negative infinity to 3, bracket, union from 6 to positive infinity is the answer for problem 17. Alright, number 18. We have absolute value of 3u plus 6 equal to 9. Okay, so we're going to break it down in two cases. Case 1, when it's positive 9, and case 2, when it's negative 9. 3u plus 6 equals to 9, and 3u plus 6 equal to negative 9. For the first part, we're going to subtract 6 on both sides. That will give you 3u equals to 3. Then we divide by 3 on both sides. That will give you u equal to 1. Okay, on this side, we're going to subtract 6 on both sides. That will give you 3u equal to negative 15. Then we divide by 3 on both sides. That will give you u equal to negative 5. So that is two answer for this problem. U equal to 1 and u equal to negative 5. Last problem, number 19. So you have 4w minus 10 greater than equal to 6. So we have absolute value involved the inequality sign. So we're going to do is figure out what kind of problem are we working with. Is is this one the and problem or problem? So the trick that I show you in class, and is represent A is represent for N and or is represent for O. In alphabet, A before O, so we put A in front of O. Then you're gonna do is take this inequality sign, you're gonna throw it in the middle. That will point you what to use. So this problem is gonna be or. Okay, because inequality sign point to O is or. So we're gonna break down two cases. You will have 4W minus 10 greater than equal to 6, or 4W minus 10 less than equal to negative 6. Make sure you see two things changes. You see the inequality change and also the sign change on the second case. Alright, we're going to continue to solve for this. We will add 10 on both sides. That will give you 4W greater than equal to 16. Then we divide by 4 on both sides. W greater than equal to 4. Okay. On the other side, we're going to add 10 on both sides. That will give you 4x less than equal to 4. And we divide by 4 on both sides. X less than equal to 1. Alright, we're going to graph this. At 1, you go to the left. At 1, you go to the left. And you're going to use the bracket. Okay, and then at 4, you go to the right. At 4, you go to the right. Use the bracket. So the answer for this one is negative infinity go to 1 bracket union because it's or problem, and from 5 or from 4 to positive infinity. Alright, that's it. That's the last problem for the test. So you have 19 problems in total. So make sure you study, rewatch the video as many times as you need to, and also take note on your flashcard. Okay. Um, Good luck. Make sure you study, make a flashcard. Thank you everyone for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye.